down. There's not fun.
If you go, you're all the way down. And just shape the body however you want the body to be. That's the tail. This is the tail end. That's the body, the front end. So however you want to shape it, okay?
You smoothing this out mostly?
You can use a scraper for that if you want. You can just leave that part. Is that the shape you want all the way down to the tail?
I want it to be a tiny bit skinny.
Okay. Don't raise the handle.
Oh, right.
There you go.
I'm doing it, Mommy.
Yeah, you're doing it. Whoa, look at that cut. That was a good cut.
I like it like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna like